guys, good morning. Here's the plan. Today we're gonna go to Sakuji Fish Market, eat, and then go to Team Labs Planet, because that's the one with the water, and it's the one that's going away in 2027 or something. I plan to come back probably next year, maybe within the year, so I'll go to Borderless next time. So I figured I would just get to go to Planets while I can right now, and not worry about it. Anyways, yeah, so I also think I still have a ton of space in my checked bag, so I think we're gonna do some shopping today again. Hopefully, I didn't know Akihabara closes so early. I guess it makes sense they want the kids to go home by 8 o'clock, which is when everything closes, but I want to stay out. And I didn't buy that much, so I'm definitely gonna go back either today or tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be my last full day in Japan, so definitely have to go back at least one more time just to buy more stuff. came to Japan with 0 Miku Nendoroids. I now have 3. Guys, I'm here. Last full day in Japan, and we're gonna go out. We're gonna go buy some last minute stuff. Just cause I like packed up my bags for the most part, and I still have some space, so we're gonna go spend some money. But yeah, that's on the agenda for today. And yeah, so we're gonna go shopping, I guess. Hopefully I can still find some stuff. I haven't really done a big, like, I've been to Don Quixote, but like I haven't bought anything just because the sheer amount of people inside of the store, like not even like the amount of products that they have. I mean, like that too, but like the amount of people that are in the stores is insane. So I saw on TikTok there's another place to buy good souvenirs near like Ueno? I don't know. Ueno. Anyways, it's near there. So we're gonna go check that out. Hopefully there's less people. That TikTok only had like 800 likes, so we're betting on that. But yeah, we're gonna head out now. We are once again back in the hotel room, trying to see how much stuff we can put in my suitcase. As someone told me earlier, min-max it, like in an MMO, like where you just put as much stuff as you can in your inventory. I'm literally doing that IRL right now, because if I don't come back with a suitcase that's like borderline too full, why did I come here? Anyways, we're gonna sit on this and try to do it, get it closed, and then we're gonna go downstairs and see if it passes the weight check. We're gonna go to one last temple before I leave, because I probably won't have time in the morning to go, so we're gonna go do that now. Alright, so we're about to go try and attempt to hail a taxi because we're leaving Japan, unfortunately. However, we're leaving for the first time, so we're gonna be back. I don't know when, but hopefully soon. But yeah, I'm gonna try to hail a taxi. If I can't, I'll call an Uber, but we'll see how this goes.